Hey internet, Curious Kid here. Hope you're having a good day. Hey listen, we all have bad days sometimes, and I hope you're having a good one today, by the way. But if you have these deeply unsatisfying feelings all the time, like in the back of your head, always there, you're probably living, and you're like watching your life. You're probably living somebody else's idea of life. Have you ever thought about what that is? What life is supposed to be like for you? What is life? What do you want to do? And really, the most important question is, who are you? Really? Some moments in life that you want to really say what you mean, what you really truly mean. And I bet you most of the time it doesn't come out right. And speaking for myself, I always felt that way about life itself. So today I want you to think about that. Who are you really? Not the mask you wear, the person you tell everybody else who you are, but really who you are. Like when you're a little kid, that original OG awesome you, right? Carefree. It's somewhere in there, and if we live from that place, I think we can truly live our own life. That's just my opinion at this juncture of life. So yeah, just wanted to share that. If you ever feel deeply unsatisfied all the time, maybe you are living somebody else's idea of what life should be. Should. Keyword there. I try not to use that word as much as I can. So yeah, I think a lot. And I think too much sometimes, but this one was very important to me. So I just wanted to share. You're awesome. You're loved. I love you. Thanks so much for being here. We're on this journey together, right now. And if you resonate with anything I said, please subscribe, like, and let me know what you think in the comments. And see you next time. Have a good one.